Welcome back to another CapCut video. In this video, we will learn how to bring LUTs inside CapCut mobile app. If you're using a PC, then it's alright. You can download LUTs and use them in CapCut. But if you're using mobile phone, as most of my viewers, they use mobile phones for editing, then it's not that easy to bring the LUTs inside CapCut mobile app. But in this video, I'll guide you the methods how you can bring the LUTs inside mobile app, and if you don't have a PC, then this method will work as well. So let's get back to the computer screen, and there we will learn how to download free LUTs and also bring them to your mobile phone. And if you don't have a PC or a MacBook, then how this video can help you to even get those LUTs on your mobile. First of all, make sure that you are logged in with the same ID on your CapCut mobile app, and in the meantime on your PC if you have one. If you don't have, then it's okay. In my case, I'm logged into CapCut on my Mac and in the meantime on my mobile phone as well. If you don't know how to get the free LUTs, then simply go to freshluts.com, and here you can download tons of free LUTs. Just simply go there, sign up with a free account and press on download, provide your email and password and download LUTs. Once you download, you will receive this kind of files here, .cube, and I have already downloaded a lot of LUTs here. After downloading, go to CapCut. Here, make sure you are logged in, and then you will see these spaces. This is your space, and you can create multiple spaces for your CapCut account. If you're using a pro account like mine, it's 100 GB. Otherwise, you will have 1 GB or 2 GB or 10 GB storage there. And make sure that you are on the right space here. After that, press on home button and create any project. Drag your video to your timeline and trim whatever you do for the editing. Then go to Adjustment, LUTs, and hit on Import. Here is the LUTs folder, and I'm gonna import all of them. So if I drag any LUT here, you will see the before and after. This is my normal video, and this is my after video. Alright, drag any LUT of your choice, like this, and this one. 4 are enough for now. Just click on the LUT, then you will see this panel here. Here you can adjust the temp, tint, saturation. If you don't like the existing one, then there is a Save as a Preset button here. Hit on that, and here you can choose the name of your preset. After renaming, you will see the space here, 2 or 3 different spaces. In my case, you can choose the exact location, that is the cloud space you are given on CapCut. Hit Save button. Click on the second one, go to Save, and choose the space same as before, and repeat the procedure. Once I hit save, you can see this is not LUT, actually this is LUT. I wrote the wrong spellings, but it's alright. So make sure you are on the right space and then save them as presets. After that, close this tab. Then go to your mobile phone and open CapCut. If you use your own laptop or MacBook, then make sure that you are logged in with the same ID. If you used your PC or MacBook, then you will see this one here. If you didn't use your own PC or a MacBook, then I'll guide you how you can take help from a friend or any person online. Go to Edit Any Project, scroll your options here and go to Filters and go to Presets. Choose your space. Here you can see different spaces. We saved in 𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂. If these LUTs are not showing up, then what you need to do, just go and refresh CapCut because it takes time to sync. If they are still not syncing, then you can go back to your CapCut and refresh here and make sure if you're using a VPN, then the proxy is same on your mobile phone and on your PC as well. Let's say my proxy here was selected as USA and there was UK. So I can now just go and refresh this one, my VPN as well. So the syncing will be okay. If you are not using a VPN, then syncing these LUTs will not be a problem. To be honest, I tried multiple methods to sync these LUTs between my MacBook and my mobile phone CapCut app, but they were not syncing, so I stopped video there, and now I did some troubleshooting. Now everything is fixed. So let's get back to the screen and see how I did it. First, make sure that your CapCut is updated. If not updated, then just go and check the updates on your Play Store. I updated to 13.1.0 version, and this is the current version right now I'm using. The other methods I followed are on CapCut Mac app. First off, I deleted the spaces I had created, and the second important thing is I turn on auto upload here. If you didn't select this auto update, then you may face some problems. Then I went to adjustment and deleted the existing LUTs I created here and saved them as presets and added them again. After that, everything was okay. Now go to edit menu on your mobile phone and select any video you want to edit. Now scroll a little bit and you will see filters option. Go to filters, presets. Here are all those LUTs. Now it's automatically syncing between your phone and your PC. You can choose any LUT, hit OK, and here is our LUT. So now let's get to know, if you don't have a PC or a MacBook, then how you can get these LUTs there. Under edit menu, you will see this space option. This is your space, and if you are using a free account, you will be given 10 GB free space or 1 GB, whatsoever the space is there, you can see there in your inbox. You can see all your projects, media, trash, and here you can select all. If you don't have a PC, then you can ask a friend to invite you as a member. In this way, you can work as a team. So here's my desktop app and here is my cloud space. This has 100 GB space and I can simply go to this place and invite somebody. Here is an invitation button. I click on this link. If I copy and paste this link and send it to somebody, then that person will automatically join my space and work as a team. Similarly, you can do it on your phone as well. Go to this plus icon. Here is the copy link. It's only for 1 day, so make sure you join within a day. Copy this link and send to anybody who's using a computer or a MacBook to edit videos. Then create a space here and both of you can work as a team. Owner of the space will upload all the LUTs here and save them as preset in this space. So you can get those LUTs on your phone as a team member by joining the space. This is how you can get them on your phone as a team member if you don't have a MacBook or a PC or a desktop computer. I hope this explanatory video helped you a lot. If you got any value, then consider subscribing. I'll see you in the next one.